Hi, I'm Stacey Alfano, Beauty and Special Effects Makeup Artist. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some of my all-time favorite makeup must-haves. I'm obsessed with them and I think we should just go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so my first favorite product is kind of newer to the market. It is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm obsessed with this stuff. It's so good. The coverage on it is insane, which is probably my favorite thing about it. It's also mattifying, so I would say this is better for oily combination skin types. If you have a drier skin type, it will dry matte, just know that. But they have so many different shades and colors. Literally anyone can use this, which is why I love it so much. Alright, so my second favorite product is from Senna. This is a wonderful line, and this is the Mineral Mix Pressed Powder, and this is in light. I love this so much because it doesn't go on white. So a lot of times I find translucent powders or anything like that that have a white tint to it really show on the skin. This is pressed powder. I love using this on set because I hate loose powder. It drives me insane, and this gives you all the benefits of having a loose powder, but in a compact. As you can tell, I've used a ton of it. They have a couple different shades of this, but really, like I said, it goes translucent on the skin, so you can't really tell if there's color to it or not, which is why I love it so much. So my third favorite product, this one I think everyone knows, but I really want to say that it's my favorite because it is. I've used this for forever. This is Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I don't think it needs a statement. This isn't a new product. I'm obsessed with it. I can use this on so many different skin types. I use it on myself. It's the perfect bronzer without being orangey or too cool, too warm. It's just a really good staple go-to product. So my fourth favorite is kind of an unusual for a makeup favorite, but it is eyelash glue. And this is from Callus, and this is eyelash adhesive. So you've probably heard of Ardell or a lot of different types of eyelash glues, which are wonderful, but I really like this one because it is latex free and hypoallergenic. So a lot of times whenever you're putting lashes on someone or yourself, my eyes specifically get really sensitive because I don't wear lashes that often, and a lot of people that I put makeup on don't either. So this is non-irritant. It does not irritate your skin, and it lasts. I mean, it really lasts all night. You could keep this on for a couple of days, although I don't recommend that because that is not good, but it will stay on. And it kind of goes on this like electric blue color. It dries clear, which is really cool, and it's easy to cover up with eyeliner. Alright, so my final favorite product is a palette. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is just my favorite palette. I have no other words than it's just beautiful. The warm tones in it are my favorite. They look good on everyone. I love how they look on myself, but I also can use this on every single person that I do makeup on. They're gorgeous pigmentation. Everybody knows about this palette, and they have tons of different ones, but this is just my favorite one that I would repurchase over and over and time again. I just always kind of find myself gravitating towards it. And there's so many different things and combinations you can use, so I have to say this is a staple, and I am in love with it. Alright, well thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to buy any of these products, they will be linked below. Make sure to stay tuned to gasmaskmagazine.com to see more of my makeup tutorials and favorite products.